Hello Standard 7, welcome to History class by Mamta Shetty. Today is the part 3rd. This video is the part 3rd of the chapter 4th, Maharashtra before the times of Shivaji Maharaj. In the first video we have completed about the different villages, what it is known like Mauja, Kasba, Paragna. In the second video we have seen about the calamity of the famine and the work of Warkari movement and Sant Namdev. Now in today's video we are going for the other sons. Yes, so this is Sant Dhaneshwar. Okay, let's start with the play Sant Dhaneshwar. He was a great sant in the Warkari movement. Yes, he wrote the Bhaurata Deepika or Gyaneshwari you can say, which gives out the meaning of Sanskrit Bhagavad Gita. Yes, Bhagavad Gita, he translated it and wrote in a Gyaneshwari, which explains us the meaning of Bhagavad Gita. He also composed the Amrut Anubhav. He preached the importance of devotion through his works and composition on the books. He showed the simple way of worshipping and the conduct which a common people can follow easily in the Marathi language. He gave prestige of religion to the Warkari movement. Though his life was spent in an extremely difficult circumstance, he never lost the calm of his mind and never harbored the bitterness. He never had a bitterness in him in spite of facing so many difficulties. His Pasaidana in Gyaneshwari is very, very famous. His poetic composition of his brother, Sant Nivrittinath, Sant Sopandev, his sister Muktabai, they are also very famous and well known. So we are going for the next sant. It is Sant Eknath. He was a another great sant of the Bhakti movement in Maharashtra. His composition are many and diverse, many different. These include Abhanga, Gavlan and Bharat. Right, different forms of writings. He has stated Bhagavad Dharma in detail and in a simple manner so the common people can understand it. He had portrayed people's life in Bharat Ramayana through the story of Rama. He explained in Marathi the Bhakti part of the Sanskrit work Bhagavad in the people's language, that is Marathi. His Abhanga shows the warmth of devotion. He demonstrated through his own conduct that there is no need to renounce worldly matters for attaining the highest truth, that is Paramarth. He was the teacher of the people in the true sense of the term. He believed that our Marathi language was inferior to no other language. He asked the Sanskrit scholars forcefully, Sanskritwani देव केली तरी प्राकृत काय चोरापासूनही झाली. He heavily criticized those who hated other religions. What did he do? Yes, so what is the main important thing you have to understand about the Eknath? That is, he had a different form of writing, that is Abhanga, Gavlana and Barut. Right? And what did he explained everything in Marathi, a simple language so that the common people can understand. He felt that the Marathi language is also superior like the other language. He asked the Sanskrit scholars forcefully that you think that the Sanskrit language is given by the God. Do you think that other languages are given by a chor? Yes, by a robber, by a thief. Yes, he criticized the people who hated the other religion. Now we go for Sant Tukaram. Tukaram, he belonged to a Dehu near Pune. Right? His composition of Abhangas were very pleasing and lucid, reaching to the greatest poetic heights. His Gatha is a precious, lucid means clear and easy to understand these Abhangas. Yes? His Gatha is a precious treasure of the Marathi languages. He asked us to find God by showing love to the unhappy, and he told that following lines, tormented the following lines, suffered people. He told we should show them kindness, love. जे का रंजले गांजले त्यासी मने जो आपुले तोची साधु ओळखावा देवो तेती जानावा. So he has explained this everything. With this viewpoint, he threw the river Indrayani the documents of the loan that the people had borrowed from him, and he freed the poor people from the bonds of loan, right? He did that way and people appreciated. He criticized the hypocrisy and the superstitious in the society in a very strong term, right? Who pretended that we are from the god, superstition. He stressed that devotion should be coupled with morality. Morality means good behavior. His teaching can be summed up as Jodiniya dhan uttam vyavare udas vichare vech kari. Right? Find this meaning in the net, child. Some dogmatic people, he opposed him, the social awakening he had undertaken, and sang his Abhanga, the books which he had written, the poems which he has written in the river Indrani. Sant Tukaram faced the opposition with the noble courage. People used to say bad things about him, but he did not. His disciples were from various castes and creeds. They include Nauji Mali, Gaunath Chetwani, Santaji Jagnade, Shivba Kasar, Banibai Sirkar, and Maharji Pant Kulkarni. All different castes were with him. An important task completed by, that is, Gangaram Pant Malan and Santaji Jagnade was writing down the Abhangas of Sant Tukaram. Now we will stop here. Yes, a very important point you have to understand in today's topic. We have done Sant Eknath, Sant Tukaram. Sant Tukaram believed in only showing the kindness to the unhappy and the tormented people. He said that every people should be coming together. All the different caste and creed, his disciples were with him. The Abhangas were very, very famous. He stressed that devotion should be coupled up with morality. Right? So in the next session we are going to the last part of this topic. Last part means work of the sons, different sons. Thank you.